These are the elevators at Lakewood Ranch Medical Offices, Building 1 in Lakewood Ranch, Florida. These elevators have padding on the inside, although you'll see that one is different from the other. There we go. The other elevator happens to be going down the same exact time we're going up. Let's go one. This one has a ThyssenKrupp seal on it. And here are your fixtures. There's an inspection certificate. This one gives the addresses in Bradenton, Florida. I guess Lakewood Ranch is part of Bradenton. Let me fix this padding. It's missing a hook. But here's your cab view. Let's send this one up and catch the other one. The indicator's on the outside. I guess this one works, although it's pretty dim. Someone got on with me the first time. We're gonna try this again. This one has beige padding and a Miami seal. Thank you. That's a desk right there, and the call button here is "Seen Better Days." I'll cut the when we get our elevator back. They are doing construction at this hospital, so that might be the reason why they have padding.